Three, two, one.
At Bonu. Welcome back to another episode of Mathflix. In today's episode, we will be discussing about a special product known as the cube of binomial. So first, what is the cube of binomial? The cube of binomial is the special product used to multiply a binomial 3 times to itself. This is the formula for the cube of binomial. So here's our example. A plus b cubed. Step 1, cube the first term. So in our given example, the first term is a, so a cube. Step 2, thrice the product of the square of the first term, 3a squared b. And step 3, thrice the product of the square of the last term, so in our example, 3ab squared. So step 4, or the last step, is cube the last term. So in our example, the last term is b, meaning b cubed. Let's have the example. X plus 5 cubed. For the first step, we have cubed the first term. In our example, the first term is x. So x cubed equals x cubed again. And step 2, thrice the product of the square of the first term and the second term. So here we have 3x squared 5 equals 15x. But why? It is because x squared times 5 equals 5x squared times 3 equals 15x squared. So we have step 3. Thrice the product of the first term in the square of the second term. 3x5 squared equals 75x. Why again? It is because 5 squared is 25 times x, 25x, times 3, 75x. Let us have the fourth and last step. Cube the last term. 5 cubed equals 125. So therefore, the answer to x plus 5 cubed is x cubed plus 15x squared plus 75x plus 125. We have to understand that binomials are examples of polynomials, and most of us fail to understand as well why polynomials are important in our daily lives. So in our next slide, we will learn what is the essence of polynomials in our daily lives. But first, what are polynomials? Polynomials can be used in our daily lives not only in complex and complicated computations, but also in basic calculations of numbers. Let's have an example. You are in a supermarket and you buy 3 bags of chips worth 200 pesos each, 4 bottles of 1 liter orange juice worth 150 pesos each, and 2 sacks of 5 kilograms of dog food worth 950 pesos. So here is our formula. 3 times 200C, meaning the chips, plus 4 times 150O, meaning the orange juice, plus 2 times 950D, meaning the dog food, equals 600C plus 600O plus 1900D. Therefore, the answer or the total amount of your groceries is 3,100 pesos. By doing so, we would know the basics of adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing different constants and variables to have an initial idea of the total amount. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned a lot from today's episode. Thank you and Pax at Bono.